Hello again everyone, and welcome to another tutorial. In this video you will learn how to insert your own recipes in the database that will give you the nutrient values of the resulting food. This is extremely useful if you create your own custom meal plan or you want to know how much of that amazing cookie will cost you in terms of calories. When tracking your calories and your macros, having access to this data easily is a must in any application designed for this purpose. Fitness-minded folks are usually more inclined to prepare their own meal rather than eating out in restaurants or having others cook for them. Given this fact, many people make their own creative recipes to reach their macro goals. The account you have here on fitnessdailytrack.com is a great place to save all your recipes. The good thing about it is that meals saved from your recipes are accurate in calories, macro, and micronutrients. Therefore, you can use them in your fitness journey. So let's go through an example to see how you can save your own recipes and use the food created in your daily meals. We are here under the recipe section. You found it under the nutrition menu. As you can see, we have already 99 available recipes. That means that I can see that many. You can see only your own recipes and those shared by other users. If you're just starting out and you did not create any recipes, you only see the public ones. If you scroll to here, you can see at a glance the name of the recipe, the calorie content, the protein, carbs, and fats. Also, if the recipe is saved into the personal food database as a food item to be added to your meal, you also most probably have a photo attached to it. We'll go through this step by step. First, let's have a look at one. Let's search here for cupcake, chocolate or vanilla cupcakes. Let's click on this. Before I click on it, you notice there is a edit button here. And if it's your own recipe, you can change it from there. You can also change it from inside here. You can click on the update button. Let me start from the top. So first you have the title of the recipe and a few buttons. That one, self-explanatory, takes you back to the list. This blue button, it will update. You can get to modify it. If you save this recipe in your food database, you're gonna see this button here, view saved food. Otherwise, you're just gonna see the orange one that will give you the option to save it. You also have the delete button right there in the right if you need to delete it. The most important piece of information for us tracking food is right here. It tells you the total amount of calories, protein, carbs, and fat. By this time probably got used to the color coding of these figures. Next, you'll have the ingredients taken from the recipe itself. You can see is listed here as you receive it from somewhere or as you write it down, and also the actual ingredients are right here. These are given with the amounts. When we added stuff from this list, we have to actually select these individual foods from our local database and put them all together, and when you sum them up, it's going to give you these figures. So based on this list here, we got all that result. As you can see, you can also attach photos and even embed YouTube videos like this one here. This is a recipe I created some time ago. Creating means actually I copied from a website from this the Protein Chef. He has an amazing YouTube channel and his own website. I highly recommend and go check it out. A lot of goodies high in protein. Actually, in a little while we're gonna go to his website and steal another recipe and insert it here to have it for our own daily meals. Let's go back and create one from scratch. As you can see here in the right side, we have button, create new, click on that. And let me explain these fields. This side, on the left side, you have the information about the recipe, and in the right side we're gonna add the ingredients one by one to make up the calories and the macronutrients. Let's start from the beginning. I found this website, like I said, is the proteinchef.com. That's CEO actually, the proteinchef.co. And I found this interesting cheesecake, low carb cheesecake. It only have 4-5 ingredients right here. So what I normally do, I copy the title and I paste it right here. Portions. Portion is here, it says servings 1. One cake. I will add at the end the actual amount of grams after we see how much it is. Here in the preparation, we're just gonna copy and paste the instructions. And the notes. Gonna put that there, and I'm going to copy the actual ingredients on top. So before the instructions, I'm gonna put a copy of the ingredients. Even though we're gonna add them one by one, it's good to have them displayed right there. It's gonna make it easier to add it if it's in the same page. Alright, we have that information there. Let's start adding the foods one by one, the ingredients, by using this list. So egg, raw egg. It says 1 large. There you go. Add. You see, already our recipe have 72 calories from that 1 egg. Cream cheese. Or maybe this one. Okay, 3 ounces. So one ounce there, 85 grams. Actually, yeah, it tells us it's very useful to have the grams in the database. We save in grams. So let's put 84 grams right there as it's instructed. Sweetener. Your sweetener, normally it's not necessary to be added because it doesn't have much calories. Half a spoon of vanilla extract. All these, the next two are optional, mostly for the taste. Let's see if we can find it in the database. Vanilla extract, yes, we have it there. Half a spoon, so teaspoon. So 1 teaspoon is 4 grams, so it's gonna be like 2.1 grams. And half a scoop of protein powder. Let's add protein powder because it will be more valuable for us. Now it depends which one you have. Whenever I buy a new protein powder, I enter it in the database, so I have the exact amount of nutrition information. Let's choose one right here. It says half a scoop, so this is a scoop. We're gonna click on this, half. Alright, at this point we have all the ingredients. As you can see, we reach up to 150 grams. change the serving size here, also 150 grams, and we are ready to save it. There you go. This is our recipe. You can always come here and learn how to make this cheesecakes. Now, like I show you, you can see the actual ingredients that make up this list of macronutrients and calories. So we can attach a photo. Let's see, just copy the image address and we can click on this. There you go. Now we're ready to save it. That was it. That's how easy you can add recipes to your account. You can see we have this option to save as personal food. Right now the recipe is not part of the database where you can add it to your meals. So you have to click on this button and this will create an entry, as you can see, with all the details of this resulting product. We can add here also the photo. Still have in the clipboard the address, upload. There you go. Click update and we are done. Now if I want to go to today and add it as part of my meal, just click on today and let's add it for the late snack. Is a cheesecake. There it is, the one we just created. We're gonna have only half because we wanna keep our waistline small. 37 grams, that's 104 calories only, with a whopping 6 grams of protein and 8 grams of fat. Not a good ratio, but it's a cheesecake. There you go, we added the cheesecake. This was the lesson about adding recipes. I hope it was easy to understand. If you have any questions, you can always contact me and I'll be happy to help you out. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.